Good afternoon. Myself Swati, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Now I'm going to discuss our SNS roadmap towards our service, like SNS roadmap. We are having four categorized: foundations, framework and culture, growth and innovations, excellence and creations. Now, foundation means chaos and challenges. Chaos means we are having anything, anywhere, any in between places we are get chaos. Means if we are after that we are reaching the we are accepting the challenges and shown our best. That's an chaos and challenges. And then common man and business. Common people will be think same as an how they are how they know all the common things will be happen. But in our SNS institutions, business business, like how the businessman and business people will be taken up the any other problems or any activities. Based upon that we are going for standard approach. And then design thinking means it is a human centered innovations. How the common statement will be innovated by DT design thinking, that is our SNS institution. Everywhere at every time the common thing will be happen for every students and everywhere. But in our SNS institution we are more innovated than some other people. That is an design thinking. So it is a human centered innovation. And then the framework and culture means it is a 3P culture: purpose, process and people. What is the purpose we are going to do this? That is a purpose. How we are going to process, what are the things we are doing for purpose, that will be processed again. And then after the process, how we are going to reaching to the people. That is a 3P culture. 3C framework means it is an attitude, logic and technique. Attitude means how attitude we are having and how we are innovate that into a logic, and how that logic will be innovated to the technique, how the technique will be used by our students by 3C framework. And we are having in 5 pillars: learn ourselves, upskill, learn how the CL we are having an CLT, like learning by our students. After that learning by in our institutions, they upskill themselves by in the innovated way and innovated technology too. That is in 5 pillars. Spine in our we are having an anywhere in all surroundings we are having an like innovation, any other things, upskilling, learning, innovation networks everywhere. But in our SNS institution only we are having a spine like health, hobbies. We are having a good health means we are having an we are prove and we are upskill ourselves towards an excellence. So we are having an health, we are focusing on the health and hobbies. And we are having an sports and 18 clubs we are having based upon the students requirements, based upon the students excellence. We are started out 18 clubs. After that we are having an growth and innovation. After the framework and culture, we have to grow ourselves and be in an innovative way. So we are having an innovation from 7+7, and we are having an 15 industrial clubs towards an in an SNS institution. And then we are having an Gen AI enablement. Common thing will be happen for everywhere every time, but in our SNS institution we are using an Gen AI enablement by teaching and using a Gen AI, and we are having a roadmap for an every subject and every topics. And then how the project will be based upon a Gen AI, and how we are going to taken up an hackathon for the Gen AI based. And then after their career we are focusing for certification talents too, because in IT and business engineering anywhere the certification is mandatory for every company. So we are focusing on certificate talents too. And then excellence and creations. Excellence and creation means it is a smart OKR goals. It is a gamification process. Based upon this we are well versed in um, social media platforms like LinkedIn, some social media innovation techniques. By using an this we are having an some other business people will be linked with us too. And then excellence means it is in progress and achievement. If using these progression, if these we are following the all the uh, cultures, growth, innovations, etc. So based on this, we are having an excellence in the progressive achievements. And then we are aiming for 100 AA startups, and we are focusing on 100 AA startups with 10-year missions. And then we are based upon the growth mindset using design thinking and AI. Without design thinking and AI, we are not going to make our growth mindset. So based upon this, we are more innovated than some other way, and we are innovated too for the upskilling our students and upskilling our faculty members towards the growth mindset. That's our roadmap, SNS roadmap. Thank you.